Ready? Like they works. Like she set us up big time.
I love them. What a basket festive.
So happy to have you here, sis.
I'm so happy to be here.
So for the welcome bag, for the welcome basket for my sister, this is what it looks like. We have some Japanese snacks, nuts, choco pie, I think is very Japanese. These little cheese sticks thingies, and I have like some face towels, rag for her to bathe with. I have a scarf for winter. I have these heating sticky things to help her with the cold. Got some cozy socks. I got her some shower cap, of course, a very fake flowers, but you know what, it does what it does. Lotion here, hand cream, and a little Vaseline for her lips. And that's about it. That's what I got in her welcome basket. There is a lot of things left to get done, but Adam is really and truly gonna have to finish up for me when he comes in from work, because I have to leave to go to the airport right now. I am filming on my phone because of course I left my camera. I am in the airport. I am heading to see my sister. She has cleared customs, got her bags and everything. I got here much later than I thought I would. I wanted to be out here when she cleared, but it is what it is. Gonna try to find her. She says she's at like some number 9 place, so I'm trying to find that. Airport is quite busy. Oh, right, international arrivals. Okay, I'm heading in the right direction. I have 14 minutes of video on this camera, so I'm gonna spare it until like I spot her. I'm gonna try to hide and spot her first so that I can like surprise her. Let's see how that turns out. I am just looking for red hair because her hair is red. So even if I can't see her face, if I see anybody with like red braids, I'll know that that's her. So fingers crossed I'm able to like sneak up. Alright, so my sister did not tell me the terminal in time. So I was at terminal 2, but she's at terminal 1. So I had to like get the shuttle bus and come over to terminal 1. So I am approaching the bus stop where she said she was, and I'm looking for the redhead. I do not see it. She said she was at bus stop 9, so she should be inside this door somewhere. Ready?
This moment, can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would?
I know.
Like you're actually there?
I am here. I am here.
Oh my god.
Look over there though.
Yellow Japanese. Oh my god.
Sister. This is my beautiful sister that lives in Japan.
Yeah.
So it's my first time visiting Japan to see her.
Oh,
Yes.
なるほど。Welcome to Japan.
Yes.
じゃあ、You は何しに日本へ Why did you come to Japan?
Why?
うん。
Because of her
Yeah.
and my nephew and her husband. I just came to see my family.
Husband?
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, Japanese.
No. No. We're all Jamaicans.
We're all Jamaican.
We moved to Japan 5 years ago.
Oh,
So we've been living here for 5 years.
Why Japan?
Why? Well, my husband was very interested in Japanese culture. He likes anime and he wanted to work and explore the language and the culture. So he came. I was still in school. So after graduating, I came too.
なるほど。
Yeah.
そうか。じゃあ今回は2人で何するんですか？
What kind of plans do you have doing together?
Oh, well, she's new to Japan. I have been here 5 years, but I don't know everything. So I plan to take her to Tokyo Skytree. Yeah, maybe Chiba. Maybe Disneyland. I don't know.
Maybe the cherry blossom.
Yeah, well, cherry blossom is in
Not yet?
spring. So you're in winter, darling. You missed it.
See when you don't know anything about Japanese.
And then take her to some Japanese restaurants so she can try the food. Yeah.
Hibachi.
Yeah. Some
yeah.
curry.
Yes.
Maybe sushi if you like sushi.
No.
No?
No.
No.
She's
No.
not a fan.
My food have to be cooked.
When they grow up on suitcase and the train. The train come. Oh my god. Hi guys. Welcome. I mean, I tried to start this vlog from earlier, but it just wasn't happening because I had a lot of things to do and I was pressed for time trying to prepare for my sister's arrival, and I just did not get to start the vlog the way I wanted to. But she's here. Yeah, you guys, oh my goodness, it's been 4 years since I last saw my sister, and to be honest, I don't even know if that 4 years ago count, because it was like at my wedding, I was busy getting married. She was like a guest at the wedding. It was more of a hey, thanks for coming, love you, bye, you know, kind of situation. Right. But the last time like we spent time together was like years ago. So it's really nice to have my sister in Japan. Like, it's crazy. Like I have a family member in my home, like somebody that knows me, like we can chat patois, like oh my god, you know, like it's nice. I am here for it.
Me too.
I'm really here for it. I love
You're
it.
here for it too?
Yeah. Adam?
Seasick English.
Seasick English. See, one thing about Vanessa, I know she know what going.
English after the YouTube, man. Photo after the house.
Yeah, you guys, so Vanessa has been traveling from like 6 a.m. yesterday. Yeah, Western time. Yeah, so like US, and it is currently 10:45-ish p.m. So she's been up, and we've been traveling.
Almost 24 hours, because right now, locally, at home,
Yeah.
it's 7:45 a.m.
Here it is. So at this hour you were like on the road already preparing for your flight. So like she's been awake and traveling long, okay? And the journey home was just as long.
But we made it.
Yeah, we made it. We're in the house. We're getting nice and warm, and we're about to have a good
Evening.
night and a good time, okay? So I'll try to pick up the camera a little more, you know, just to show you guys what we've been up to, because I mean it's my first time having family here, so you bet your ass I'm gonna be recorded. Yeah, so stay tuned for that. And right about now we're just going to like open all these suitcases because this brought some goodies. I mean, there are a lot of things that's been on my my American wish list that she's so kindly brought, and I like cannot wait. So we're gonna dig into that, get shower, get something in our bellies, and then tomorrow is gonna be a rest day, and then we're gonna hit the road. Okay, so stay tuned for that, and I'll see you in a bit. Yeah. Well, no, we don't really watch Japanese TV. It's the only thing we watch on Netflix. on YouTube.
Okay,
So you have to start out like that. We have to start out the TV to see if we can get the channel. What they said is like one of them say they can't tell like an exact date because they must film only for things. So it's like whatever. But then give one paper and stuff with information, and then the other one we interview is say then take my email, so them I go like,
oh, that's it.
them I go
Hey, the Pokemon boy is JJ.
yeah.
You recognize him.
So Coco Melon, Aiden is gonna freak out. Oh, it's a Coco Melon theme party, y'all. Yeah, you see, one thing about my sis, like, she pays attention. She knows that Aiden love Coco. I feel something that.
Oh, the actual melon from Coco Melon.
The only thing I regret though, Adam, is that I never mentioned to me a YouTuber and whatever. Eh? But I was scared though.
Next time, she shall know better next time.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I was a little bit, like, it crossed my mind to be honest, but I was a little bit, like, afraid to do it. I don't know why.
I don't know.
It just always feel like we feel like plug myself. Like even in my own YouTube, like me afraid for like even like sell stuff to my audience. Like me feel like you know.
I know. I saw you.
Me know, but it's like I don't know. It just give me a, like it's like oh Adam, like I monetize you like me free.
Free. No, YouTube is not for fun. YouTube is to make money.
Yeah, it's true.
You have to try as best as you can because there's other people them there. Yeah, man. So
yeah, I should have plug it.
next time I know better.
Next time I will. Now when next time I go come, nobody else now go come, but they say I go come again so we can scream.
When I go away.
Yeah, I hope. I want to. But are they at departures though?
People, it's like a recurring thing.
Okay.
For them see like who are coming out.
I'll Aiden,
yes, I'll Aiden. Because they're fast because they look at my phone and they see the screensaver and then I could have this car. I'm like, yes, my son, this side, this side. Come on here. Yeah man, Aiden, boss way. Aiden, they on Japanese TV.
And then put the camera up on the picture.
On the phone, yes. And like so like someone. I'm going to watch it. They're going to get the TV start out so we can get channel 7.
Watch it, record it on your phone.
Yeah.
Record it on the TV.
So that like we can officially check off the box and say, have you ever been on television?
International TV. And not even local. International TV.
Oh, here are your stuffs.
Hey, look at that roll on them.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Oh, these are so nice. Like I need to live in America so bad, but
Oh yeah, them are good man.
oh my god, these are good. These are nice.
The pink one them be good to what them longer them time.
Oh, even more?
Yeah. So sis, there's something about this that I don't know. I know you're a little stiffler for things like this, but I couldn't do anything else. Okay? Yeah, it's okay. What? Maybe.
What is gonna miss it?
Alright. So I bought these dishes and I got 2 sets.
Yeah.
So I said I'm gonna bring you a set.
Okay. Is that plastic dishes?
Yeah.
Okay.
For lunch.
You like lunch?
So you said you wanted a Christmas
Mug.
Again? Mug, right?
Yeah.
You wanted it from where?
Target, Walmart.
And I didn't go in me one of those. I just went somewhere and I bought this. But tell me if you like it, okay?
Okay. Is this a mug?
It's a Christmas mug. But this is a top for it. So you don't want to fly for your top of your thing.
Oh, it's personalized. It have an N.
better than Walmart then, man.
Oh my god! Yes! Oh my god!
But the reason why I said that is because I know you're right-handed, right?
Yeah.
And then you're drinking a cup. You like when the thing's
Right,
in there. Okay,
right,
so but it's
right,
not.
right.
So you know
Yes!
But yeah.
I think we complained about that before.
I know.
You watch the video.
I watch your videos. I do.
Yes, because me used to complain about my merch mugs with the design. How the design set up is that when you drink it go to me, and it's like me want the design out.
So you have to go drink your tea out of the cup.
Yeah.
Please.
So, you don't drink this with the left hand?
No, it picked me right hand is on. Like, would have hold my cup so and drink.
Right.
So it faced me.
Right.
But me like when my stuff face
out.
Oh.
So me need to
that's
drink
what
with
I
my
said.
left hand.
Right.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh my god, like this is I love it!
Tell you, pay dead body in them.
Oh my god.
All of them. You see, every time I travel, you notice I be a different fragile sticker you see from my suitcase. Every time I travel, I have something fragile.
Oh my god.
Yeah, I tell them all the time. Thank you.
Yeah, that way they probably take care of it.
They take care of it a little more. That's why my suitcase will last so long. That's why my suitcase will last so long.
Vanessa know the ropes are traveling, like she requests a wheelchair for her stuff.
Yeah.
You know, wheelchair people them come out
You know,
first and
so they're not open my suitcase. None at all. Not even at all. So this is the jacket them tell us I'm buy.
Okay.
The Forever 21.
Oh man, that
Look
can
big
do.
enough and thick enough, right?
Look good, man. That can
What
manage.
time you wear it? You let it have a like this.
Things
Okay,
like
you
that.
good.
Okay. So these are the Christmas PJs that I got.
Okay.
I hope you guys can wear it for more than one Christmas.
Oh.
Here.
Oh, them have to we?
Yeah.
Oh, what is it?
Oh my god. This is my style. You see what she like about Vanessa, you know? She listen?
Man, that's Santa
And she
Claus,
like,
man. Yes, you get.
No, we figure say America you live and there's something like, you know, like you get this, you know, in them kind of something I just, it's a given.
This is them, man.
This is yours, I guess.
What's your man? Me and me,
Oh my god! This Christmas is gonna be buzzing.
nice size too.
Here you go.
Oh, Echo! Oh, I die! I die and wake up.
Ready for more than 1 year, man.
Yeah.
Of course.
Let's say when you look for email, please Father, don't make them have on 2023. Please don't make them have on 2023. So I look up to them now because I say yes.
Yeah. Oh my god.
Yes.
Oh my god, like this is the good stuff, man. Oh my god, like this is the good stuff, man. Like you know, get them stop me at Japan, you know.
Here you go. That's for you.
To me.
I'll get these are the pom poms too, so you change. Those can change.
Oh. Oh.
Yeah.
Shit. Oh my god.
Those change, and it comes with the slippers, and you can change them on the slippers.
What?
Too. So you get whatever one you have on for your heart, you put it on your slippers.
What? I'm sure we need to live in America. Like Japan could never get a change in pom-poms for your heart.
But buy some, I don't know if you use Andrews. They never have no more than these.
Oh wow. My baby.
And so see the pom pom then.
God? I don't know. Like we are come out to like what I like but I say like the hardest season
Yes,
like
we
for
do.
marriage.
But year one.
Like for Aiden?
Yeah, this is
Oh.
gonna be fit ever.
Yes.
So I'm gonna grow
I'm
nice.
not afraid of that man.
So this is from my granddad.
Oh really? I think daddy say not say nothing. You see big face?
I mean, same out.
Same to Eden?
Yeah, my father.
Now we're seeing my yet.
Right. I will look, you know?
Even look
Robe, yeah.
come in perfect and you know, me have to wrap up in a towel and can't go upstairs.
Yeah.
A girl, sit down, we're come home
This is
today.
nice. Eh?
Girl, sit down, we're come home.
Yes, I know, sweater in a bag.
I know that's that.
Well, there's a sweater in a bag, but you know, like thick enough, and then he don't want to wear it. He doesn't want to wear the sweater that he has.
Yeah, film size no.
Yeah.
Film size this.
This is 2T.
2T, yeah, that's a 2T, this is a 2T.
Aww.
And then we buy one treaty, some buy this and that.
I saw case full of gift you can, man. You can't have clothes to wear.
I hope she have clothes to wear.
She have to wear some iron clothes now.
Okay.
Oh my god.
It's a 3-piece set.
Oh.
Windbreaker with them long sleeve and them joggers.
Good body. Nice. It's a 3T, is
That
it?
one is a 3T.
So perfect for next winter. Yeah, I'm gonna just turn 3.
Ordered these, right? Them show me say it delivered and it never deliver. So I reported say I never get it. So them send a next one.
And then the original
And then the original one come again.
Go on,
Alright, Jones. Then bring them up for my sister.
That's one, man.
Yeah.
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 This
It's a one
like,
massage.
yeah.
So the money all fitting.
Soon show me existing Roku remote.
Wait, the name of.
Even name out the middle.
So I have a little one pants I saw, a little one blouse I saw, a little tights I saw, a little one pants I saw again, a little one pants I come with coconut milk in a pigeon peas and a coconut milk to make rice and peas.
Okay.
Alright.
Yes, ma'am.
So I'm going out here. Also, if you can bring it up. Couldn't get it. So that's why I just buy
It's a
it.
good thing I never get it. I don't really go for black eyebrows.
Oh no man, feel like under your eyes.
Oh,
Under
okay.
your eye or maybe a wig.
Them go reteach me this makeup thing because here what? You see cause them something like accessible to me here.
Yeah, you kind of.
But just drop out of that the bandwagon get come.
I mean, and to be honest with you, sis, I only do basic makeup. Me
That's
don't put
me.
on no only pan nothing on me though. I put on this, the powder. So first I make my eyebrow, then I put on this, then I put on my powder, and put on a little eyeliner.
That's it.
And that's it. That's it. Done.
Yep.
Done.
Push. See you sitting there. Okay.
Okay. Like how Adam gone at perfect time
Yeah.
to go in there bathroom.
Yeah.
So come.
Put me a welcome basket. Hi. Listen, this is Japanese now. Hi, dozo. Thank you. You're welcome. Dozo, here you are.
Okay. Alright.
So I picked up a few necessity, like I don't know fussy, you know.
Okay.
I got you a lotion.
Perfect, because I needed one.
Yeah, and it has our last name. It
What?
always go Johnson brand.
Oh, Johnson's bed.
We
Okay.
can't get nothing like this. We can't personalize things.
So it personalized.
Yeah, it's personalized
Right.
from the factory. I got you
Okay.
some shower caps.
Okay, perfect. I hope them can come here. If not, then make something work.
I got you fake flowers, cause I'm a fake flowers
I
girl.
can put it in my room there. My husband like flowers, because them are type of flowers here, because the one them we have to buy and them dead.
Yeah,
Him not like that part
can't do
there.
it.
And that's your money.
We can't do it,
Him not
yeah.
like that part there.
So these are some heating pads you can put in your pocket. So I was saying, because the winter time we're going out. So once you, okay,
Okay, all of them.
yeah. So you take it out of the packaging. It heat up. So you put in it like one in your
In
pocket.
each pocket, I just have it on in there.
It warm it up.
Right.
Or you can paste it
Onion?
on you.
And they keep you warm.
Yes.
I like that.
Yes.
I like that.
Welcome to Japan.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Alright, I love that. I love that for me. Bathing rag?
Yes, I have a few
A toilet?
right there. So I got your
just one.
face one. Yeah, so I got a face oil and then I get something with like can work as a rag situation.
You made with?
Mm-hmm.
Look at this. It's so nice.
You can rag with baby?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's right here.
Okay.
With me a pocket, me, hear me, girl. I said to my friends, and I said, girl, then I start saying, I feel it.
Nice.
Yeah. I said, girl, me don't even pack a bathing rag. Yeah, girl, do it now like how you talk.
dog.
So we put it in. Oh, yes. Is that a heated one too or just stick?
It's a winter socks, so you feel nice and cozy.
Jesus.
And then guess what the best part about it is?
Two-sided?
No, I bought one of the same one so we can match.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
when I was up on the couch, I watched TV with the twinning.
Yes, oh yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. Loving my basket so far. Okay, sis, you did that.
I did that. I tried.
You did that. You did that. Okay, Japanese sweetie.
Snack. This is like cheese strings.
Okay.
This is Japanese cheese strings.
No. I love snacking and this is half of me to get in. Oh, give me a little
toothbrush.
No one knows that some of them they want carefree too.
Oh my god, man.
You really want it though?
Yep. Yep. You know this. Because Japanese toothbrush? Jesus Christ.
Just me want to some of them feel so bad.
Yeah, man. Do it yourself. You could all. You could all. You reach your max, you do your best. And
yeah.
They had toothbrushes?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Actually, you give me ideas. Because like, me try to get one box from other parents once a year.
So you can.
So the next box, we're going to tell them to buy some of that. And actually, it's on Jamaican rag too. Because honestly, this is choco pie.
Well, a chocolate. I love chocolate.
Choco pie, yeah.
What's this? Moisturizer.
It's a face wash.
Oh. Perfect.
Yeah. The Vaseline for your lips.
My mouth ever dry. You know? You know?
No.
You know, sis?
No. Razor.
Nice, nice, nice.
It's a hand cream, so like if you
like
go, you
lotion
can.
too? Oh,
yeah, like one mini lotion for your
nice.
back. So like I'll today with your hand dry.
Jesus, how that do it? I'm gonna look at this.
Yes. Yes.
I love them. What a basket festive! What a basket festive!
I did my best.
Yeah, shopping like a sister too.
Yes.
Yeah, I love shopping like a sister. I can't see. I'll be a good.
I'm happy for this.
I'll be a good thing in the basket.
Yeah.
Thank you. I appreciate
You're welcome. You can carry basket, but if you can't hold.
Hey, me tell you this. It's a whole conversation. Half of them
Wait,
come
God,
out.
yeah.
So I'm tell you, my friend them can't tell you. Say me is a souvenir person, you know. People give, and then people them give me the things them, but don't like use them, you know. Don't like use them. If I do use them, I barely use them. I take a little time.
You know, once it mash up and it's like the memory gone.
Yeah. So let's stay.
Yeah. Alright, you guys. So I wanted to give you a little a little haul of some of the things I asked my sister to bring, and then some of the things that she really brought off of her own and just knock it out of the park. So first was like American Christmas pajamas, because listen, if you know me, you know me. Like Christmas is my time, and Christmas pajamas is a thing, and I was actually so worried about not being able to get Christmas pajamas this year, because to be honest, they're very expensive. Like when I go on Pat or AliExpress to like get family pajamas, they're super expensive, and it's like in America I could like get these or like, you know, affordable prices. So I asked her to bring some Christmas pajama set for the three of us for the Christmas this year, and she did. And like this was the style she went. So this is the top, and then this is the bottom, and they're so soft and nice. And the best part is that they're customized. So this one is Adam's, but they're all customized, and I died when I see this. I don't know if you saw it in that clip, but it's like she went out of her way to like customize them, and we are going to literally have these for more than one Christmases, and it's always going to be a remembrance of my sweet sister who went out of her way to like get these stuff for us. So another thing I requested her bring for me was like foundation, because if you live in Japan and you're black skinned, then you know. So the girl that did my makeup for my wedding, I was like texting her desperate. I'm like, girl, like, could you point me in the direction of which shade I am, because I have not a clue. And she said the Fenty 420 would be a good fit for me. So I asked my sister to pick it up, but my sister only picked up one, because she was like, when she looked at it, she was like, this is light, and so she didn't trust that it was actually my color, so she did not buy more than one because obviously you don't want to waste money. So she picked up this, but she came and we tested it and it's the perfect shade. Amen. Thank God for my makeup girl in Jamaica. Big up yourself, Tori. And so I have makeup and I got some concealers. I got some like eyeliners for the eyebrows. If you know me, you know I'm a microblading girl, but you know microblading is expensive. Like in Japan it costs like about 30,000 yen to get microblading done. Like it's a hell of a lot of money to fork up all at once, to be honest. And that is the reason why I have not redone my brows in a long time, since it's faded now, because I just don't have 30,000 yen to like spend on brows. So these are gonna help out a little bit. And she got me some lip gloss. Excited to try these because I am obsessed with just using things from America, man. I'm obsessed. So excited to try these. And then what else did I request? I requested baby Tylenol for my kiddo, okay, because teething and fever and sick. And then she also brought a little robe for, well, actually this was a gift from my father, so Aiden's grandfather, my father, that he has never met, and I hope he'll get to meet them. This is a size 6. Aiden will fit in this for years. It can't fit him now, but he'll fit in this for years. My camera is blinking red. Alright, so I'm continuing the haul from here because I need to go wash my body. So let me just, I will have to like clear up the living room. So another thing, pants for Aiden, more pants for Aiden, shirt for Aiden. This is 3T, so Aiden will fit in this next year. This nice puffer jacket. Is it puffer jacket? A white name? Windbreaker. I don't know. Windbreaker. Yeah. Yeah. In 3T. Like, oh my god. Like, American clothes just feel so different. I love it.
Pineapple juice, but pineapple mix.
Okay.
Shirt.
Drink milk.
And then this is the star of the show.
Drink milk, pineapple?
Oh yeah, we actually need to talk about what we need to buy for girls.
Oh,
We're not going tonight.
We're paying them. I'm going to write the groceries fair.
And I'm giving us something. Aiden is gonna be wearing this ASAP, okay? Another thing she brought, some of y'all might think like this is silly, but listen to the story. She brought things to wash the dishes, and guess what? Yes, she brought it, but it's money that I get to save because I'm gonna have to buy sponge, wash plate. And money save, and we like that, you know. So it's not always about like the fancy stuff and you know the pretty stuff. Yeah, whatever. Like practical stuff make awesome gifts too, especially when you live your regular life. So yeah, thank you, sis.
You're welcome.
Yeah, so we got some Scotch bonnet hot pepper sauce. We got some browning, some Jamaican browning. Etone, we got. Let's go. I need to show you all a recipe with macaroni and cheese with lasco in it to die for. I'm not gonna give away my secret just yet. I'll put it in a video at some point. But yeah. And so, what's next? My daddy sent over some alcohol for me too, some rubbing alcohol. At this point, I am operating a rubbing alcohol shop because I keep collecting rubbing alcohol. Because if you live in Japan, like good alcohol is not a thing. So anytime anybody give me anything, like alcohol please, yes. So it was good that my father had those reserved. Sis bought a bunch of snacks, which honestly I love these the best so far. Sour punch, bites. Blue raspberry flavor. Yes, please. It's really good. The most like a workout. It's chewy bad. Twizzlers. These are called Twizzlers. I have a bunch of them. It should last us a long time. A big pack of curry. And the star of the seasoning show is gonna be our good friend and good sis Maggie All Purpose and Maggie chicken. Yeah, like in this big size. Yes, ma'am. Love that for me. Oh my god. Thanks, sis. Yeah, and oh, sis also brought a thing of salt fish. So we're gonna be cooking some baked bean. We're gonna be cooking some ackee and saltfish. Yeah, she brought a ton of tin food, which Adam already packed away, so I'm not gonna go in the pantry and get those. But like, she brought like ackee and callaloo and like coconut milk.
The works.
Yeah, the works. Yeah, if you're Jamaican, like, you know the works. Like, you know the things we can get. Those are the things she brought. Of course, we can't leave cock soup out of the mix, or coconut milk, so we have that too. And these are some very cute slippers with interchangeable pom-poms. Like, can you believe it? Like, we have a bag of pom-poms and you can interchange it, and a little hat and you can interchange the pom-pom, and it's like, what? Like, oh my god, I need to go to America. Like, this made me get it, actually. Like, this really makes me get it, because it's like,
You want to go now?
yeah, it's like, oh my goodness, like, you know, like, you don't really find these fun things. Like, nice things are in Japan and you get nice things, but like, you know, like, make it fun and like, oh, let me change my hat to match my whatever. It's really cool. It's really cool. Yeah, so we have that, you guys. I'm pom-pom on my shoes. I can leave Adam's slippers alone. Like, Adam has been complaining, like, you have an inside slippers, I have one, why do you keep wearing mine? And I'm like, but after wearing mine for like 2 days, it just does not feel the same as his.
Okay.
So I like want his, but these look like they're gonna be like comfy, like this the material. Yeah, nice fresh feet. Ooh. Oof, oof, oof. All right. Hot pepper sauce, probably show you this already. Oh, the star of the show is this one. I've been wanting this for like months, like maybe like a year. And it's been sitting in my Amazon US cart. I just couldn't cash it out. Like, it's affordable, but then when we shop on Amazon US from Japan, like, you pay double the shipping cost, and it's like, I just can't bring myself to pay $50 US. Exactly, for utensils, you know. So it's like, I said to myself, right, if I ever go on Amazon US to buy anything of value, I'll add it. Yeah. You know. Yeah. And then sis was coming and I was like, sis, I know you're bringing a lot of stuff already, but there's actually one more thing I really want. And without question, she bought it, and I'm like so grateful, because the ones I have, I've had them for like 2.5 years and they are like falling apart. So these are good. The color is nice. Many pieces. I love it. It's definitely a great addition to my kitchen, and good Christmas, you know, gift, and it makes me happy. Arigato. Yeah, you guys. So I think that's gonna be it for the haul. Oh, I didn't show you what she brought for Aiden. I'm sorry. You see, one thing about my good sister, you know, she watches my YouTube video, which is a huge deal, you know. But also she pays attention. She don't just watch them. She look and she listen and she learn, and she knows that Aiden is obsessed with cocomelon and things like this you don't find in Japan, you know. So she brought cocomelon toys. I think this is like, this can go in the water like spray water. Then I'm not sure what this does, but we're gonna add batteries. Oh, okay. So we're gonna add batteries, and I'm sure Aiden is gonna love this because it's cocomelon. Yeah, it has battery. I have to get battery tomorrow.
Sorry.
Yeah, man. And then a little cocomelon like cell phone play toy. Can learn letters and numbers, colors and shape, and stuff like that. And then this thing I think you'll probably enjoy a lot is this cocomelon stuffy. Yeah, he's probably gonna want to sleep with this, to be honest. Yeah. So yeah.
There was another one that make noise. I was like, this one maybe gonna be like,
yeah.
oh,
Yeah.
Noise.
Because then if you want to sleep with it, it's a problem.
Yeah.
Because you know.
Nice and stuff.
Yeah, man, good thinking. Yeah, so that is gonna be it for the haul. Yeah. So apart from that, you guys, I think that's all of the goodies that sis brought. And then a gazillion amount of snacks. I'm not going to take out all these snacks because we just went through the bag, but like we have banana chips in here, we have like these, what I call them, $5 cheese sticks in Jamaica, we have tigers, we have like some spice bun, we have cotton candies, Skittles, water crackers, Hershey's, like all the things, like the works. Like she set us up big time. Yeah, that's gonna be it for this video of reunited with my sis after years. And tomorrow, as I said, is gonna be like a rest day, so I probably will not be picking up the camera. I have a lot to do tomorrow. Actually, I'm so sorry, but my sister is probably gonna be here by herself tomorrow because we have business to take care of that cannot wait.
I'm gonna be jet lagged.
And she's gonna be jet lagged, so she's gonna be hella sleeping. Yeah. So all the better we're not in here, you know, disturbing all of that. But yeah, that's gonna be it. Thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching this video of me being reunited with my sister. And if I did not say this, we share the same dad. So we don't have the same mom, but we share the same dad. And if you're like American, or I don't know if Canada does this or whatever where you're watching from, but you see in our culture, we don't do half sister, half brother, okay? Like if we share a parent, we're sisters, we're brothers 100%. So she's my sis, my good sis, not no half sister, okay? So yeah, we share the same dad, and she is the third child for my father. I'm the fourth child for my father. My father only has four. Yes, I'm a wash belly for both sides of my parents. So last one, baby number 4 for my dad, and last one, baby number 3 for my mom. My mom has 3 girls, and my dad has 3 girls and 1 boy. We only have 1 brother. Yeah, so yeah, so we're Jamaicans, but my sister has been living in America for the past 10 years. Yeah, so she's full-blown American. So all of these things came from America. You see, American never live the good life. Like they can go into places and get Maggie seasoning. That's the type of life these American Jamaicans are living. And then I'm over here in Japan like, please send a box.
And there's some places in foreign, you know.
Yeah.
Cause me there Florida, you know. Florida is
like, Florida like kind of foreign. Caribbean, right,
you know
right.
Them claims of Florida are a big fire.
And a big fire. Yeah, actually, yeah. Amongst the black people in Caribbean, that is true. Yeah. Yeah.
But the store where buy these Jamaican stuff, stone throw away.
Wow.
If I want to walk, I can walk, but I'm lazy.
Wow.
I drive.
Wow.
It's right there.
Like, trust me, man. You see, it's when you live in foreign countries like this, you really appreciate like your own home country, and also if you live in a foreign country, you get these stuff. Because like for people like me and like a lot of you guys or what like you know, that are in Japan too, like things like these are a blessing, and like we pinch them, we just use a little because we don't want it done. Yeah, so yeah, that's a little backstory. The last time I saw my sister was at my wedding. I think I said this in the beginning of the video actually. So it's really nice to like have her here and
for two
whole
weeks. Can't wait.
Yes, ma'am. It's gonna be a good time.
Can't wait.
Yeah, and just really and truly, like if you guys have been here for a while, then you know how much I've like struggled with wanting family here. So this situation is like, it's good for my mental, like my mental health needed this, and we couldn't be we couldn't be more grateful for this opportunity, you know, because like honestly, like 1 month ago we didn't know that she was gonna be here. Like this was a miracle, and it like happened, and we were like, let's do it, you know. So yeah, it's like God is just like repaying me for like my mental depletion of the brain, because honestly, yeah, I've been through it. So so happy to have you here, sis.
I'm so happy to be here, especially for you, you know.
Yeah.
We're gonna have a great time.
We gonna have a great time, even if we in here majority of the time. Yes, ma'am.
Stay home for 2 weeks.
Yeah.
Play a card.
Yeah.
Play domino.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, blue.
No, me not blue.
Think about it in the ear, me more wish me could
Could carry, yeah. That would be so nice.
Let's say me think about it. Look at me for come back.
You better come back. This cannot be the first and only, because that's the way I say.
Me not tell a lie. The flight, the length of the flight will change anybody mind from come back. That's alone.
Yeah.
The flight was good though. It wasn't a horrible flight at all. In terms of even like turbulences and stuff,
right.
But the length of the flight,
it long bad. It long bad, very bad. It very long. Very long, yep. Yeah. But you see though, like, to be honest though, I really appreciate Vanessa for coming, because it's like, even though it's long, even though the flight is long, and it's uncomfortable to like be in like one tiny space for hours and travel for hours. At this point, she's been awake for over 24 hours, you know, and to make that sacrifice and like come see her little sister,
I appreciate it.
I can't even put it into it. Like, just thinking about it, I want to cry, but I'm gonna hold it together, you know. But honestly, it means more than words, to be honest, because this is something I've been wanting and needing, you know. So very grateful that she's here. So yeah guys, I'm going to end this video like I've been saying for the past 55 minutes and call it a night. So I'll see you when we get up to some good stuff. Alright?
See you in the next vlog.
Bye!
Don't forget to like, comment, and share.
Yes, ma'am!
Subscribe if you haven't
ma'am! Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Share with your friend and come over for the good vibes, because it's a good time, okay?
Yes.
Yeah, so I'll see you soon. Bye!
Bye.